Hi, in this quick tip, I'll show you how to create your own insights with the NSP Analytics ad hoc editor. The first step is to log into the NSP Analytics application, which we've done here already. The next step is to choose ad hoc report design to launch the ad hoc editor. The first step is to expand and select the appropriate data domain, which is a metadata model used to house the information to create various ad hoc reports. We're interested in the utilization data domain, specifically two data sources, one for the network element. You can see the information we have available to us. We can double click and select that. Similar, we want services, since we're building an ad hoc report that has a list of services per network element. We are now in the ad hoc editor. We can see we have the network element and service as we previously selected. Now we can start creating a report by simply dragging and dropping the information we want to see in the report output. We'll start by the node type. As we can see here, the displayed name for the various network elements, their IP address, and their system address for completeness. As you can see, we're building a crosstab. We can expand these different pieces of information to see the full detail that we have available to us. Now we also want to add the service type, because we want to break down by service type. So we'll simply drag and drop that here into the column section. And then we want the number of services by service type, so we'll add that as well. We can expand here the measures to get a count by service type, which is what we're looking for. Now we can see the breakdown. We see a few extra rows here, so we're subtotaling by system address and IP address. We're probably not interested in that level of summarization, so we can simply remove it. We can assume that the users will want to choose the node types that they want to report on. So we can simply create a filter by node type. We could choose the filter type to be one of, so we could choose multiple of these different 26 node types we have on this particular system. We're also making use here of attributes that we've created ourselves that were not part of the data sources for network element or service, and we did that in order to create the count. So if we look at number as a calculated measure, we're using one of the functions here, count distinct. These are all available prepackaged in the system. And we're counting distinct any services, and the any service is a concatenation of the displayed name and the full name for the network element and the service, so we don't count the same service multiple times. Final step would be simply to save this ad hoc view and create a report for end users to consume.